comply with the manufacturer's recommendation regarding routine checks of a steam sterilizer and document the results. Besides the visual check of the door seal and door lock, the operating agents and documentation media should be checked once every working day. Additionally, perform the vacuum test weekly with a cold and dry steam sterilizer before starting work. To do so, please select the vacuum test in the test program overview and press Start. The steam sterilizer is checked for leaks in the steam system. The vacuum test is successful if the leakage rate is lower than 1.3 millibars per minute. The sterilization batches are checked by using either a Helix system or a Type 5 process indicator. A Melag Control Helix test body is supposed to be used when sterilizing instruments of the category Critical A and B. It's not necessary to store the indicator strips. To ensure secure proof, please document only the color change of the indicator during batch approval.